Motivation is what drives one to achieve one's goals in life. Before one can achieve one's goal in life, for example, weight loss, one first has to want the goal badly enough. Unfortunately, wanting something does not equal achieving it. To lose weight, one has to find the weight loss motivation first. So, how does one achieve the motivation to lose weight? One's behavior has to change, and one's desires and wants will direct this behavior in a positive way. So to achieve weight loss motivation, one needs to want to lose weight, to change this want to a strong desire, and then to visualize the end result, and all of these inner feelings will give us a very strong and effective motivation to lose weight. Emotion is a very strong part of achieving motivation. Ways of directing your emotions to achieve motivation to start losing weight and to start to change your way of life and eating behavior are listed here. Before you can change your behavior, you have to turn any negative thoughts into positive ones. So remember the famous old saying, the power of positive thinking. Weight loss motivation will come to you through positive thoughts and feelings. Another way to achieve the motivation to start a new healthy way of life which will result in weight loss is to look for role models, whether it be in the media or through reading positive literature. One can look at a role model and think, I can do that. Even imitating a role model's behavior will achieve weight loss motivation. Recognize your feelings of optimism and how much you are looking forward to losing weight. A feeling of happiness and excitement will turn into motivation to lose weight if you use your imagination and think of what benefits weight loss will have for you. Motivational thoughts can be of how enjoyable buying new clothes will be, or all of the different activities which will come through weight loss. So simply, before you lose weight and start a new healthy lifestyle, motivate yourself first, and the rest will come easily. In the last 2 years, exciting new facts have surfaced about how changing the way one eats and changing the pattern and behavior of eating will achieve amazing weight losses. So remember, weight loss motivation is the key to opening the door to your new life. Hey! Want the body of your dreams? After you click the link below this video, you will see the best program to lose fat. It has already made a huge difference in my life after only 10 days, with wonderful bonus. Take action now before it's too late.